Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you some more Valentine's Day packaging ideas and a few little things that I've been working on. As always, I'm going to share with you some of the dies that I've used, and then I will share with you what I've been creating. Alright, so this is the first die I want to share with you that I used. It's a really pretty corset. I use this die right here which says I love you. Looks like that. I use this one that says sent with love. I think that's what it says. Yes. I use this scalloped stitch heart right here. I used this treat topper. I used this corset. It's really big. I used this little tiny heart down here. And then I used this die right here, which creates a box. Alright, so let me share with you what I've been working on. First, I'm going to share with you some tags, and let me just put them right here and zoom in just a tad. This is using that corset die that I just shared with you, and oh my gosh, I love this die. I think it's so pretty, and I did paper piece the hanger, so I turned the hanger well, I used gold glitter paper for the hanger, and then I used some little flat back pearls, from Michael's, and then I put a sticker down here from Dollar Tree, and then I did layer it with these tags, which I didn't share with you, the tag dies, and then I added some lace, and that lace is from my friend Shabby Pink House, who is Christine. Hi, Christine. Christine made some beautiful corsets not too long ago. Anyway, so I added some tulle on the top, and that's what the first tag looks like. Really pretty. I'm in love with that die. I think it's so cute. And then here's the next tag that I made, and it's pretty much the same thing, except for I use a different tag die and different deco paper. But it's really pretty, and I love the way the flat back pearls look on it. And I used a little sequence right here, and then up here there's some tiny little pearls. I forgot to share, on this one I used those little acrylic hearts from Hobby Lobby, in case you're wondering. And then the sequence in the middle of the little bows. So pretty. Alright, putting that one off to the side. I also created this tag right here, and that's using the heart die. I just backed it with some glitter, and I just thought that was so pretty, so I wanted to share with you guys what that looked like. Really pretty. And then here's the corset that I had shared with you, and I went ahead and put it on a extra large tag, which is a Mama Elephant tag. And then I used a word die and one of the flowers I created, and then put a satin bow on top, which was from Hobby Lobby. And I just wanted to share with you what that looks like. It's like an extra large tag, but it's really pretty. And then that's the back. Could write something on it if I wanted to. Alright, moving along, I want to share with you some of my loaded mini bags that I've been working on that I'm going to give to crafty friends. I made these loaded mini bags so that I could, put all of my embellishments and stuff that I've been working and creating with. So I just wanted to share with you that I had made some little mini loaded bags, and I did follow Tamika's tutorial, who is Scrap the World here on YouTube. She has an easy tutorial on how to create these little mini loaded bags, and I just wanted to share with you a couple that I made. As you can see, I think I made 3 or 4, maybe even 5, but I'll share with you some of the little bits and pieces that I did. This is the front of my little bag, and as you can see, I have the word love. I have a lot of die cuts that I've used that are in my stash. I made a rosette, and that pretty blingy heart is from Hobby Lobby. And I think it looks so pretty on that rosette. And then on the inside, I have this scalloped heart that I cut out. And as you can see, it says sent with love. And that's that die that I shared with you. Added some sequence. And isn't that so pretty? And then this is the back. And you could write a little note on that if you wanted to. And I just think that's so adorable. And then I just tucked it right here in the pocket. And I've already shared my tags and lots of embellishments with you guys. I did make this little clip right here with one of my rosettes. And I think I picked this clip up from Hobby Lobby with the bling on it. It's really pretty. And then I just added some fringe right here on the top. of my little bag. And then packaging idea for straws. I used this treat topper for the straws and included some little straws in my little mini bag. And then this is one of my rosettes, which I believe I've shared with you before. So that is one little bag right there. I'll put that off to the side. And then all of them are a little bit different. As you can see, this one has a really big bow. I was thinking about putting that little heart sticker in the center right there, but I hadn't glued it down yet. But I did use that fabric paper that I picked up off AliExpress to create that bow. And here is the heart that I made for this card. And again, using the same scalloped stitch hearts, and then I stamped out Happy Valentine's Day. And then on the back, it says, I love you, using that really big die that says, I love you. Isn't that adorable, you guys? I mean, it's so pretty. I love it. So I'm really happy with that die right there. Oops. And it's just a fun little way to tuck in a card or an embellishment in your little mini bag. And as you can see, I have like die cuts in here and things that I've already shared with you guys. So I won't take all of that out. And then moving along here, I did have a couple of little wands that I made. I made this one right here, which is really pretty. I made a rosette and added some of that Target Dollar Spot heart glitter, and used some of my dies and some chipboard stickers. And then this is the back, using this stir stick from the Target Dollar Spot. And then, oh, this is the other wand that I made that I hadn't shared. This one right here. And this is a We Are Memory Keepers punch. And just layered it with die cuts and stamped out Happy Valentine's Day. And again, this is what the back looks like using the stir stick from Target. I just thought that was really pretty to stick in my little mini loaded bags. All right, moving along, I'm going to share with you, here are my rosettes that are all packaged up, and this is what it looks like packaged up, all nice and pretty. So I just wanted to quickly share with you how I packaged these up. I think they came out really adorable, and I hope my crafty friends enjoy them. And these ones, I didn't add a topper, but just put them on deco paper and then stuck them in the little bag. And then of course I have my handmade stamp on the back of each one of those. So really, really cute. So package those up. So those are ready to go. And then if you remember, I made 3x3 note cards. So I went ahead and made a box for the 3x3 note cards using one of my little critters that I created, some die cuts, some foam stickers. I followed a tutorial on how to create this 3x3 box. I think it was Poodles and Craft. She's like a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator. She has a lot of videos, and I followed one of her tutorials, and here I have my 3x3 cards and the envelopes all packaged up, ready to gift to a crafty friend. And I still have to make one more of these, but I figured I'd go ahead and share with you the one that I've already made. So really, really pretty. And then this was another box that I made using a die, and I have candy in here, and I'll be sticking this in the little crates that I shared with you a few videos back. And it's a really simple box, and it's an easy die to put together, so I wanted to share that with you as well. And then this little idea, I picked this little container up from Dollar Tree and just added one of my rosettes, and then I have some sequins that I picked up from Michael's, I think last year. And I just thought it was a cute little way to gift some sequins to somebody. So I wanted to share that. And I think, you guys, I think that is all I have to share with you today. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope that you were inspired. Please leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.